In our last video, I show you how to disassemble the pump and how to clean the parts of the pump. So in this video, I will show you how to assemble the pump with the clean parts. First, let's install the one-way valve. Assemble the spring and the one-way valves together. At this time, we must pay attention to the screw of the one-way valve. Cannot be tightened. Just keep the screw onto a flat surface. At this time, we need to use silicone oil to lubricate the piston on the solid rod. Next, we need to install the solid rod and the piston into the outer pipe. Next, we need to install an O-ring on the pipe. The O-ring acts as a buffer. We need to fill silicone oil on the sealing ring of the one-way valve. After lubricating the O-ring, we put the pipe of the pump over the one-way valve. Next, we inject the coolant into the pump. The coolant helps to keep the hand pump cool, which extends the life of the pump. Same operation, we lubricate the O-ring of the pump. Lubricate the piston O-ring with silicone grease and fit the piston to the pump pipe. Next, we install the outermost layer of the hand pump. Install 2 screws onto the hand pump and fix them. After installing the handle, we use the winch fastened all the screws. Finally, we install the base pressure gauge of the pump and the high pressure hose. In this way, the hand pump is installed by us. Thank you for watching. If you like our video, please subscribe us. Thanks.